Hi, this is Raj, and you are watching Microsoft Excel 2007 tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss different aspects of Microsoft Excel. In front of you, the screen which you're watching is Mac desktop. If you're using normal Windows, you would have this screen. Well, in my another video, I'll tell you how to use Windows 2007, 2010 or different versions in MacBook. Let's quickly open Microsoft Excel, hit on the start button and then click on the search box, type Excel. If you wanted to open new workbook, you just need to press enter now. Or if you have recently used and you wanted to use that workbook, the list of recently used workbook would appear here. Oops, I see I already have it on my smart bar, so I'll use this one, basic of Excel. You see there are two tabs, welcome to Excel, and there is one another tab beside welcome to Excel with the sparkling page icon. If you just hit on it, it will add one more sheet, sheet number 4. There is one more option to add one more sheet by hitting shift plus F11. You can also change the color by right clicking on the sheet, tab color as yellow. You can rename by double click on the sheet and rename as budget. You can also delete the sheet, rename, move or copy, view code, protect sheet, hide, select all sheet. Insert option, I would cover this one in my another video tutorial. So if you want to delete it, you will come back to the welcome sheet. You see there is option to zoom in, zoom out as you have in Microsoft Word. You have the slide bar to come down, to come up, to move forward and move backward. These are your columns and these are your rows. In Excel, rows are denoted by the numbers and the columns are denoted by the alphabets. If you press Ctrl plus forward button, it will take you to the last column and row cell except D number 1 row. This is the last column in your sheet. If I type any text, it won't take after this. This is the last. And if you wanted to see the last row here, so it's 10,48,576 row. There are different tabs like home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view. At home tab you have cut, copy, format painter section. Then you have the text format section like text style, text size. This one is also for the size and resize of text. These are bold, italic, underline. You want the table or the data with all border, bottom border. Different options are available here. You can change the cell theme color from here. There is another section for alignment. There is another section for merge, center, wrap, general, conditional formatting, insert, delete, format, auto sum, sort, find and select. These all would be covered in another tutorial. Let's quickly come to the start button or window icon button here. It has new, open, save as, print, prepare, send, publish, close, and Excel options. Excel options are the settings of Microsoft Excel. On popular, you have show mini toolbar on selection, enable live preview, show developer tab in the river, color scheme. Will show if you change, this is the best option to change the theme color of Microsoft Office. I'm saying Microsoft Office because it will change all application color scheme to silver, like Microsoft Word, Outlook, Access, everything, every single application of Microsoft color scheme would be changed from here. If I just press OK, see it's gray color, and the developer tab appears here. Developer tab is basically for creating macro and for preparing the Visual Basic codes. So if I just search access to view the scheme color that we change, it will appear as gray. I think it will take some time to open that. Meanwhile, let us see the Excel options. We have already changed the color scheme to silver. Now font size, use this font, normal view, include this many sheets, 3, number 3. If you will open new workbook, 3 sheets would be available below your workbook. If you need more, you can choose it here. So every time you open new workbook, these many number sheet would appear in your workbook. So I set it to 3. 3 is the default value. If I see the formulas, workbook calculation, automatic calculation would be done, and workbook formula autocomplete, use table names in formula, enable background, use get pivot data function. There are many options which you can read and select by your own as per your need. So error checking, background error checking would appear in green color. So just need to read out the options and select the right one as per your need. Basically, if you don't know, do not change, because the default is the best here in Excel. Save file in this format, Excel workbook. Save auto recover information every 10 minutes. Each after 10 minutes, Excel will automatically save all your data, and whenever your system will reboot, your data won't get hampered. It will always saved in cache memory of Excel. So there would no loss of data if you select this one. It will each after 10 minutes save your data. And when you will open your workbook, it will show the document recovered option here, and you can open it and save it again. Simple. Auto recover exceptions for basic of Excel. Disable auto recover for this workbook only. I don't want to disable my auto recover because this is the best option we have. So save checked out file 2. Saved checked out files would be saved in the local computer server. If I select the web server, it will save to the host server of the network. Server draft location is set to the user, Hackster, documents, SharePoint draft, and so forth. You can also change it if you want by clicking on browse button and change it from here. Well, I don't want it to change because it's good, it's perfect. Let's go to advanced tab. On advanced tab you have more options to change, like after pressing enter move selection. If you press enter button, it will take you down to the next cell. Enable fill handle, allow editing directly in cell, extend data range, formats, formulas, enable automatic percentage entry. You just need to read out, and as I said, you need to set as per your need. Now customize toolbar. This is very very attractive. Like, you click on the insert hyperlink and add it. You just, oops, it's already here. You see save, undo, redo, insert hyperlink. You see same as here. If you remove it and you add this one, it will appear here. It will change to open. See, it's changed. Now if I again go to customize and remove it, it will remove. Now you don't have to do anything in add-ins, trust center, resources. These are the Microsoft usage settings, so don't have to do anything. Like, you have to activate Microsoft Office, then go here, go to Microsoft Office online. It will directly take you to the Office, Microsoft Office web page. You wanted to know about more Microsoft Office, then click here, Trust Center. These are the Trust Centers link of Microsoft, so don't have to do anything. Home tab, press it here, go here. Let's enter some text. Enter budget of no, and then select this one. I want it merge and center, I want it bold, I want it italic, I want it underline, I want theme color in orange, I want the color of text in red, want to increase the size of color and set it, want center align. Perfect. Now add some item. Now mount add item like training. And here computer, electricity, miscellaneous expenses. Now you have to enter the total amount of training: $200, computer $250, electricity take it as $300, miscellaneous expenses as $500. I want total to appear here. Let's change the cell styles to be this, and let's change this cell styles to note. I want some borders here, so I'll go to cell styles. I will choose this one, or either this one has blue, I don't want it, I want orange color. It looks perfect. You see, now
We can also use the borders. Take border, then here I want the borders, all borders. Again I have to change the style because let's remove the border from here. Total. Now to add one more column, I just need to press insert sheet columns, or I just press shift control plus to add one more column. To remove, simply you click on it and go delete sheet columns, or shift control minus in laptop or system. I think would use same functions. And you see the cell reference is changing. If you change cell reference to C7, it will jump to C7. This is cell reference bar and this is the formula bar. I want the sum of these, so simply I'll select is equal to. Remember, every formula will start from is equal to symbol, is equal to, then sum, open bracket, and then I will select the cell. Either I can manually put the cell reference C7 and then close bracket, or I can do like this way, is equal to sum, open bracket, I select this one and close bracket, enter. Or I can just select this one and click auto sum. It has changed. Now I want these in dollar symbol, so either I can use from here symbol, or I can select these one and let's change to currency. It will be changed. I want the same format, so I will take format painter and change it to currency. Same. Now I don't want these grid lines on my workbook, so I will go to view and remove the grid lines. Perfect. Now I want to take a printout of this, so I'll click on the page layout button. On printout page, I want to write some header, yearly budget. I want some footer as well, to put some footer. ABC Company Limited. Now I can take the printout of it, and if I want a normal view, it won't show me the header and footer here. Same, I just put the grid lines back. I can zoom in, zoom out as per my need. I can see the budget option. Very easy. So that's it for today. In my next video, we're gonna discuss more about formulas using average, sum, maximum, minimum, and many more things. Thanks for watching Microsoft Excel 2007 tutorial. Keep watching. Bye bye.